Today in this video we are going to keep it very short and simple. I just need to say you very important thing, and that is there are two types of person who is really hardworking and another person who is really talented. Normally in most of the cases person who is hardworking always beats the person who is talented. See, you can be smart, you can be talented, but a person who is hardworking and consistently ultimately wins. See, talent is something that is inbuilt in you, but the hard work and dedication shows that how fast and how consistently you gonna win. So make sure that even though you are smart, even though you are talented, make sure that you work really hard, because in most of the cases hard work beats talent. So make sure that with talent and your smartness you are working really hard, because during studies we need smartness, we need talent, but we also need practice and hard work. Bye, see ya.